Today we're going to do some bending here on the Ercolina 070 Medi Bender on some 5/8 copper tubing. The 070 Medi Bender is a portable bending machine, plugs into a standard 110 volt outlet and is used on smaller diameter materials. To set your degree of angle in your spring back, it's simply done here on a thumb dial. For today we'll do it at a 5-degree spring back to 180 degrees. To mount your tooling, it's as simple as dropping your former over the hex shaft. There's zeros that'll just line up so it drops in like that, and then you can just take your counterbend die and drop it in as well. Once you have that done, place your material into your tooling, place it in, lock it in, and then bring your counterbend die up just till it's snug on the material. Once that's snug on the material, you now can activate your bend either by using the toggle switch on the machine or using a foot pedal. For this bend here, we're going to do 180 degrees on this 5/8 copper tubing, simply by activating our switch and once the bend's complete, we'll just return it back. And you can see by that bend on this material, the spring back isn't quite as great as the 5 degrees that we had matched on there. Okay, now for that same 5/8 copper tubing, we're going to change our tooling and go to a 36 millimeter radius, which is going to be a little bit tighter. And since our spring back on the last bend we did was overbent by about 2 degrees, we're going to drop this back to give us a 3-degree spring back, 180 degree bend. So again, to change our tooling, in this case we just have to take off this former and we'll drop on our 36 millimeter former in its place. Once it's in place, it'll be the same as last time. We're going to put in our material. We're going to bring up our counterbend die. And again, we're just going to snug it up. Once we're set there, we're going to do this 180 degree bend, so we will activate our machine. Even at that, it looks like we've probably overbent again on that material. This copper is kind of dead soft, so you probably could get away with 0 spring back on it. And there you can see the quality of the bend on this 5/8 copper tubing. Again, we overbent it a little bit because of the having the spring back set. This stuff is dead soft, so again, you wouldn't need to put probably any spring back in it. For more information on this Ercolina 070 Medi Bender or any other Ercolina machines, give us a call at Brennan Machinery, 1-877-271-8316.